I'm always giggling on fucking camera when I see Chris do crazy shit.
That giggle is overwhelming on film. You sound like a witch.
Oh, I can't help it when I see you do stuff like this. I gotta chuckle. Four-wire pump. Chris, how deep did you say this well was?
I think it's 60. Let's measure it real quick before we put it back. That's 62 down there, but the water's only like 20 or 30 or something.
That was all. Alright. Well pump's back in the ground. Chris got the old pressure tank out of the hole. You can see the kind of blue in there. That's the new pressure tank. And now we're replacing control panels, pressure switches, and all the other good stuff that goes to a well. So Chris, have we officially learned everything about wells with this
Except
system?
for that we still can't figure this one out. We're not done with this.
I know.
All these parts we're putting on right now, I don't think maybe that pressure tank being bad.
I was going to say, I think that pressure
causing
tank being bad has been messing us up for a long time and we hadn't realized it. Well, I think we know about all there is to know about this well system if we can ever get it to work.
About any 3-wire 240 well pump we probably know about. All of these parts will be brand new this time. I think I even bought a gauge.
Old Cody in his cowboy hat. I like it. You're going to get him a big old belt buckle now.
If any of you guys out there got belt buckles, you guys can send me one now.
Nasty old fuel pump. Black. They had to cram a V8 in this thing, Cody.
She may have to come get us a ride. The car was sitting and they left the map sensor behind off of it from the other car, so there's no telling that. Sure is smooth so far. You can feel the mist, but I mean this gas is bad.
I said I'd never ride in the back of a cop car again, but I guess this isn't really a cop car anymore. I'm going to put my seatbelt on because I know how Chris drives these. Safety first, right?
We can turn around. We got half the 10 gauge left to operate to. And we got a $26 fuel pump. We're getting away from home for a hot day. We're a $26 fuel pump. To install the $26 fuel pump, halfway through trying to install it, the gas gauge popped apart and the fuel gauge line part of it popped apart. Yeah, it's grip.
Oh yeah, sliding sideways.
Sitting sideways, boys in the days.
Instead of $27 fuel pump.
Yeah, and a 50 or $60, I don't know what it was.
I'm stuck in the back of a cop car. The door handles don't work.
Yeah, probably.
Thank you, Officer Chris.
This thing right here, I probably got 2 hours in it right now. Plus, I probably got 4 hours driving to go get it. 2 hours fixing it. $75 worth of parts. $85 worth of parts. Some
And
gas.
$50 worth of fuel. So that's really not that bad.
It might be closer to $75 worth of fuel because it's $2 something a gallon right now.
Yeah,
So,
$2.59 a gallon.
Go to Woodward and come back. It seems like I think this car will be nice. I hope that we have the same experience with the other car, and that all we have to do is just get a
Some headlights, a brake light, and
headlights and stuff.
fuel pump.
But I'm not as optimistic about the other car, but I got my fingers crossed. I mean, the engine sounded good. It's just the grass growing through the bottom of it and stuff that really makes me a little nervous that it's been sitting a long time. But I don't know how bad it hurts these cars to sit. That seemed pretty good for the gas that'll barely light when you put it on the pavement and try to light a little lighter. So, all right, guys, appreciate y'all. verdict on the bucket from the beginning is that I love it. So we're about to call it a day because it's sweaty if you can't see the sweat dripping off of us all. Good looking out. Alright YouTube, we're going on part 2 of our Oklahoma adventure. And of course, it's a rain day. It rained last night, so I left my window down. But here we got the rig, and I got the, I don't know if this will hold up, but I probably should have just bought a hub, but I put new bearings and put new studs, so. It's either the dog or the cat. We can never leave.
You want to go with us? You can't go with us.
You can't go, kitty. Well, alright, we're headed to Oklahoma, so we'll let you guys know.
Look, we're being all healthy. Chris got a gallon of water. We got fruit. All kinds of stuff.
Chris.
Why?
Because we're so far away from home.
Well, we're at the gas station, filling up. We got the second cop car loaded up on the trailer, headed back to Kansas. Got titles, got everything, so hopefully these will get on the road here pretty quick. Oh yeah, we missing headlights in mine, and missing one tail light.
And the map sensor. I stole it from my car.
Yeah, Chris stole the map sensor. So it needs a map sensor and a fuel pump. And it's got 127,000 miles on it.
And 110 miles to home.
And 110 more to home. Alright, peace out, guys. Well, we made it home.
Success.
Is the hub hot?
The hub made it. I don't care if she's hot, she made it. Oh, you can still grab her with your finger.
Ooh.
Ooh-wee. That's a repair right there.
What's up, YouTube? So me and Chris knocked off about 56 minutes ago. We've been working on my Crown Vic. And we got the fuel pump in. We've got it all done, put back together, the tools put up. And gonna push her out and give her a jump start, see if she runs before we go any further. So we'll bring you guys back in just a minute. Alright guys, we got it pushed outside. We're hooking it up to the old work rig, see what she'll do. I am happy. I'm gonna be cruising a cop car now, guys.
Well, does it move forwards, does it move backwards? Alternator works. There's no telling how long it's been since the last time this thing was started, and it sounds good. Just pull forwards right back into the shop and pull right back out. Oh, we got forwards. It sounds good. We got reverse. Check out the most important part.
What's that?
The AC.
I don't use the AC, Chris. Ooh, it's cold. I might actually use AC now. I'm gonna get it out of here.
Makes you wonder why they took the headlights and the tail lights. Guess they probably needed bulbs or just needed a housing. Go for a ride. Maybe he'll wait for me. He's gonna let me in and everything. That is air conditioning that I do. Ricky has a different feeling about his car than I do mine. I need a nice ride. This thing runs better than mine does. Right out the gate. You know it? No check engine lights at all. No nothing. Brakes seem like they work good.
Oh yeah, the brakes were great.
That AC though, man.
Law dogs don't run without no AC, man. Cop car ain't got AC, it's broke down.
My car ain't got AC, it's broke down. We left Cody behind. He
Yeah,
should
we
have been
did.
around.
126,818 miles on it.
And 126,818 hours of engine idling. Well, guys, I guess both of our cop car deals worked out, so we will. Do you have anything else to say, Rick?
No, I don't. I'm super happy right now.
All right, we'll bring you guys back when we get our cars cleaned up and titled and tagged and stuff. Thank you.